If you're getting quotes for a new AC right now, put your wallet away for a minute. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on exactly how HVAC companies price their installations, which brands are actually worth your money in 2026, and why the company you hire matters way more than the box that you put in your yard. I'm Rich Morgan. I've been installing these systems for 37 years, and I'm going to give it to you straight with absolutely no sales pitch. I started Magic Touch Mechanical right here in Mesa, Arizona back in 1997. We use flat rate pricing for our installs. Why does something like that matter to you? It means that I have absolutely zero financial incentive to push one brand over another. So if you're going to get the total unfiltered truth today. But before we even talk about brands, we need to talk about the elephant in the room. All over the country, especially here in Phoenix, we're being flooded with private equity firms buying air conditioning companies right now. These out-of-state Wall Street firms are buying up local family shops. They keep the old family name on the truck, they jack up the prices, and the plan with private equity is to flip the business in 5 years. What's going to happen to your 10-year labor warranty when that holding company liquidates or sells? It could be gone, and you could be left stranded. So before you sign a contract, ask if they're locally owned and operated or owned by a PE firm. Now let's talk about pricing. Most contractors use a standard margin markup. That means a premium variable speed unit costs twice as much from their distributor. They double their profit on you. They mark up the premium equipment so high that a lot of people can't even afford it. Magic Touch doesn't do that. We use what's called gross profit per man day. So we charge a flat labor rate for the day to cover our overhead and pay our guys well. That means if you want a top tier variable speed system, you aren't getting punished with an inflated markup just because it's a nicer piece of equipment. The labor to install that is exactly the same as a lesser unit. All right, so let's talk brands. What's actually worth buying in 2026? Right now, the reigning champion is definitely Bosch. Our customers are choosing Bosch variable speed systems 5-1 over Lennox and Trane. It's quiet, it's incredibly efficient in the Phoenix heat, and the pricing is very aggressive. If you want the ultra premium name brand Flex, go with the Lennox. It is fantastic equipment, but you're definitely paying a premium for that name. As far as mini splits go, Mitsubishi and Rheem, in my opinion, are the go-to. Don't mess around with the cheap DIY stuff on Amazon. I've done a whole video on why I refuse to even install these. And if you're on a tight budget, Goodman is a solid workhorse if the installer doesn't hack it in. Now, the ones that I refuse to install right now in 2026 include Trane, Rheem, and York, to name a few. So why? It's not that these boxes are inherently bad. It's the back end. The parts availability has been a nightmare. Factory support is lacking. And the distribution issues are causing massive headaches for contractors like myself. If I can't get a part to fix your AC when it's 115 degrees in July, that's my reputation on the line, so we won't do it. Here's the most important thing you will hear in this video. The best Bosch or Lennox unit in the world is a piece of junk if it's installed by a hack. You have to vet your contractor. You have to look them up on the Arizona ROC website, check the BBB, look at their Google reviews. Are they doing proper load calculations, or are they just guessing the tonnage based on a square footage? Do they have an office or a showroom where you can actually see the equipment, or are they operating out of a storage unit or out of their basement? Buying a new AC is painful, but it doesn't have to be a ripoff. So do your homework, ask the hard questions, don't let a slick salesman push you into a box you don't need. If you're in the Phoenix metro area or within 35 miles of Mesa, Arizona, and you want a transparent, no BS quote from guys who actually care about the install, click the link in the description to reach out to us at Magic Touch. And if this video saved you from making a bad decision, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again on the next one. Thanks for watching.